So, good posting po for this week sa area po ni Ma'am Celine, Novaliches and Ilocos po. So, ito po yung page ni Novaliches.
Make your little one smile with something extra special. Look at these adorable cartoon photo pillows. Perfect for your little one's room, cuddle time, or bedtime. So many cute and colorful designs to choose from. Look at that, so cute.
Sun is shining oh so bright. Pack your bags, it's time for flight. Beach and waves, the perfect vibe. Feel the heat come alive, alive. Summer vacay, oh let's play. All night long we'll dance away. Feel the beat, the sunshine stay. Oh, summer vacay. And now I'm here, each type of drum sound goes like and if I hear it sound like song, you tell me where it is down, every time I think I'm not alone, I hear it loud.
And then, ito naman po yung page ni Ilocos na may good posting din po.
Yeah, I'll make you lose it go, yeah, I'll make you go. Yeah, I can't want to let go, yeah, 'cause I'm so bad. Yeah, I got everything, yeah.
So, ang poor store lang po sa area ni Ma'am Celine last week na may 0 to 2 posting po, si Tugigaraw and Santiago. Most message received naman po si Metro Town, Novaliches, and Genera Mall na may 6 and up inquiries per day. Sa branch fulfillment, meron pong isang transaction amounting to 1,950. Ito po ay namigay kay Pangasinan, which is delivered naman po on time. And sa overall comment naman po, lack of posting po last week sa area ni Ma'am Celine. Kaya po wala masyadong inquiries yung mga store pages po. So, pa-make sure na lang po na nakakapag-post po tayo at least 1 to 2 posting a day.